Hello. In System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. We will study each parameter in more detail a little further. If you are interested, it is possible to place a stop. You can study all the parameters of the corporation being researched more closely. Now we will compare the main fundamental indicators of the organization with you. Supernus Pharmaceuticals, ticker SUPN. This review is based on current information as of May 27, 2025. By classification Guru.Markets company Supernus Pharmaceuticals belongs to the subcategory Neuro. 64 organizations participate in the assessment, which is very representative. We will look at the table of orders at the end of the video. The result for the company in question is as follows: 9.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.6 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the market in general, you can see that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a score of 9.5 for Supernus Pharmaceuticals. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Supernus Pharmaceuticals Inc. and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months, the shares Supernus Pharmaceuticals showed a change of 14.4%. Against price changes in the subcategory 1,123.6%. Market capitalization of the organization Supernus Pharmaceuticals amounts to $1.8 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $67 billion. The company's book value is $1.03 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $29 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied shares Supernus Pharmaceuticals Inc. in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 2.692%. Book value capitalization is 3.523%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debt obligations of $0.031 billion. Debt to book value represents 3% of the company's capital. The company's debt rating, very good, 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 29. Average for subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $62 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $140 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 2.7. The average in the subcategory is 4.2. Market value to revenue ratio score compared to subcategory score, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $670 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $1,040 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 9.3%, with an average in the subcategory of -16.4%. Marginality assessment compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 4.163%, which is 55% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $2,666,000. While for the subcategory, it is $4,124,000. Evaluation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is $91.8 thousand. Average in the subcategory, minus $160.4 thousand. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee is $991,000. In the subcategory, $977,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 7.5%, compared to the subcategory average of 5.7%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 49% for the company Supernus Pharmaceuticals, whereas for the subcategory this level is 56%. The company's stock is actually valued at approximately $32.11. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $38.81. Let's go to the order table. It is available for you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made in a given season by the reference system for evaluating shares Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's analysis, Supernus Pharmaceuticals Information and Reference System for Stock Evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy order at $32.10. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation. The company's assessment is based on the assessment methods, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 35.27. Stop loss is set at 28.93. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the deal is fixed automatically at the end of the session on June 26, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker AXSM is a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balance transaction will be or has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the final price. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the information and reference system Guru.Markets.